channel. This is Nancy here, and today I'm back with a new makeup tutorial. And in this video you're gonna see a really bold makeup look. It's gonna be a nice festive makeup look. So before moving forward, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and please make sure to comment down below. Without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. So first I'm gonna start by applying primer. Here I'm using the poreless putty primer. I'm just gonna take it and apply it to my face to create a nice base for the makeup. Now I'm just gonna start applying this foundation. I'm using the Essence Insta Perfect foundation. Just taking it on my hand and with the help of a damp beauty blender applying it to my face. And now I'm gonna use the concealer. It's the concealer from Maybelline, the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now I'm just gonna start applying it on my under eyes and my T-zone to highlight a bit. Now I'm just gonna blend it by using the same beauty blender. The concealer should be blended really nicely. I've applied the concealer on my eyelids so it creates a base for the eyeshadow. And now I'm using this contouring palette from Wet n Wild. Just gonna use the darker shade for contouring. Now with the help of this brush I'm gonna contour. Now with the lighter shade I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Now with the same darker shade, just gonna contour my nose a little bit to give it a nice shape. Now here I'm using the blush from Wet n Wild. It's a light shade, so I'm just gonna use the light shade because I want my eyeshadows and my lips to pop out more. And now I'm just using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It's a really nice gold highlighter, so I'm just gonna apply it on my face. Also I'm gonna apply it on my nose. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using this eyeshadow palette. So here I'm using this transition shade on my eyelids. Just gonna blend it really nice so it creates a nice look. Now on the outer corner, just gonna use a little bit darker shade to create that shade. And now on the lid I'm using this gold beautiful shade. Making the outer corner really dark so it looks really nice. Now applying the eyeshadow on the lower lash line. It's the same shade I've applied earlier. Now to make my eyes pop a little bit, I'm just using this gold highlighter on my inner corners. And now I'm also going to apply this gold shade with my fingers because it looks really nice if you apply it with your fingers than the brush. It's a nice shimmery shade. Now using this e.l.f. eyeliner, I'm creating a nice winged eyeliner. This eyeliner is really good. It creates a nice eyeliner look. Moving on to the mascara, I'm using the Too Faced mascara. Just applying to my lashes. Just gonna apply it to my lower lashes as well. For the lips, I'm using this Sephora lipstick in the red shade. I really like this lipstick. It's really so creamy and applies very easily. And now the look is complete. So you can see how easily this was created. Please let me know how you think this look turned out, and thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you'll get notified for my next video, and comment down below what you think about the video, and see you in the next video.